Welcome back, everyone. This is El Karloff back here yet again, and today I am just doing kind of like a little update video here. As you can see, I have the brand new GoPro Hero 11 Black Edition. Just a quick little test here. It's my day off on Wednesday, so I just wanted to walk around the backyard here and just get a little walk around from my yard and check out the video quality. So as you can see, it's sunset right now, right over in the distance, and it was an absolutely beautiful day here as well. It's already November 9th and it's about 65 degrees today, which is really crazy for Ohio's weather. So as you can see, all the leaves have fallen. Yeah, they've all fallen and they're all dead now, so this is the ugly time of year, guys. Let's go over here. This is like our little side yard area. Let me shut my gate. I just want to see basically how this is going to look and test it out for you guys to see as well. I was going to go to the park today, but unfortunately I just got caught up with doing some errands around the house. Let's see how my car looks here in 5.3K. Alright guys, let's walk out here a little bit. And the sun should be setting in about 20 minutes, so it'll be going down here. Here's a shot of the house. Now let's walk around here. Then I'll wrap up this episode. So far, I really like the GoPro. It has very similar controls to the previous models, and it's very responsive as well. You'll notice when you're using it that it doesn't really lag at all, so that's nice. Okay. Alright, so we're back here, guys. And that's pretty much going to do it. I'm actually recording in 30 frames per second, 5.3K resolution. And another thing I wanted to mention is it has some very vibrant colors on this new model, over 1 billion colors. So that this model actually picks up. So yeah, this is going to be the GoPro Hero 11 short walkthrough around my yard for today. Giving you guys a little test of the quality and its responsiveness. And stay tuned, I will be releasing more Colorado videos this week as well. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Have a great day.